is changing और इसका सबसे बड़ा सबूत है फिल्मों की ever changing and daringly different storylines. And Vicky Dona is as different as it gets. Welcome to the show, gentlemen. All right, John, I'll start with you. Your first home production and taboo topic, I would say very daring.
Sperm donation is a very delicate topic. लेकिन जिस तरीके से सुजीत सरकार has actually directed this film, मेरे ख्याल से after this film, I don't think it's going to be taboo anymore.
What was your reaction? Ayushman, हमारे को चाहिए आप movie के लिए and I want you to be a sperm donor.
First reaction was, do I look like a sperm donor? मतलब कैसे?
That's a compliment, no?
Yeah, it is.
लेकिन आर्यन जैसे
आर्य पुत्र आगे मत बोल
आगे मत
आगे नहीं बोलेंगे but I thought John looks like an alpha male, body, height, looks like a perfect sperm donor, but later on he realized कि कोई भी sperm donor हो सकता है. कोई भी हो सकता है. Sperm count is completely different. John ने भी बोला होगा कि पिछले 10 सालों में sperm count पुरुषों का 10% कम हो गया because of stress and all the factors.
Absolutely.
But I think, this is the in topic. It's very common. People don't talk about it.
Youngsters will love this.
Yeah.
Okay, so most actors who've started their production houses, they like to star in their first movie at least. But आपने ऐसा नहीं करा. You chose a newcomer.
Yeah, I think for this film, when you see the film, आपको पता चलेगा कि Ayushman is perfect for this film. He's like so good, and I don't think I would have justified the role the way he has done it. And मेरा consideration था ही नहीं इस film में. जब भी शुजित और मैं दोनों साथ में हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे we always wanted a fresh face, and this has always been my strategy that when you produce films, be a producer. If there are certain films that suit you as an actor, then do it. Not all the time.
Dream debut, daringly different dream debut, yeah?
Had to be daringly different, yeah, because I'm not a star kid, I don't have a godfather, so subject had to be the king. The concept काफी out of the box, it's unconventional.
Yeah.
So I think it's a safer zone.
How much would you rate him as a producer?
This is my first film, 10 on 10 of course, and more than a producer, he's like a buddy. He's not like, yaar, ye nahi theek, wo nahi theek. He's so chilled out. He's just, he used to give guest appearances on the sets. Kabhi aate the bina bataye. And first time it was in the mall, I think, in Delhi. Yeah. John. I think everybody started running towards him. Sara mall khali ho gaya. Maine kya ho gaya? Dekha John Abraham aa gaya. We were also very excited, Yami and I.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what do you have to say about sharing space with him? Even when you're promoting the movie, the item song in the movie,
it's
all
good
of that.
for the film. He's been there, done that. He's from the industry. He's a known name. So film ko काफी फायदा हो रहा है.
I also feel Urvashi इसमें one thing is very important because Ayushman is उसका जो पूरा ये responsibility है is on me, and I think it's important for me to deliver as a producer for Ayushman and for Yami and Anuji. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I have to be very effective. So he's like my bacha. I have to make sure he's fine everywhere.
But you don't think that sometimes maybe you'll overshadow him?
No, I don't think so at all.
But how?
People who watch the trailer, who see the trailer, it's very clear it's Ayushman's film or my producer, and I come there, and I mean, I'm backstage. He's my hero. He has to just go up there and do his work.
He's not in the film. He's part of the promotional number.
Yeah.
Overshadowing, I think, जब भी हम press interviews के लिए जाते हैं, कहीं भी जाते हैं, we went to this college, Grants Medical College, in Colaba, Marine Lines, and he was like, हमें आगे आशा कर रहे हैं John पीछे से, कि चलो Yami, Ayushman, just go ahead, and he पीछे आराम से पैदल चल के आ रहे हैं, मैं कहा, dude, respect, selfless sperm again.
Talking about sperm donation, we haven't heard about this much in India.
There is a sperm donation, sperm bank, no? What's it called? It's called Cryos.
Cryos International Bank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a lot of sperm banks. In fact, Delhi is full of sperm banks. Everywhere, it's a very common
लेकिन ये
thing.
सब आपको नहीं पता होगा before you got this movie offer.
No, I knew about it because in
What were you doing about it, man?
In 2004,
You donated.
I was part of the reality show
Yeah.
on MTV. Of course, I did that. I was a part of a reality show and won the reality show. There was a task of sperm donation in Allahabad. I was 19 that time, so I donated sperm, authentic
So
sperm donor.
you have actually donated your sperm?
Yeah.
Would you ever do that?
Yeah, why not? I must be doing that. No one knows.
You don't
I
have
love
to tell.
donating my sperm.
You don't need to boast. It's okay. It's natural.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, but talking about sperm donation, जब दोस्ताना रिलीज हुई थी तो आपने जॉन बोला था कि attitude towards homosexuality would change.
Yeah.
But what really changed was awareness for sure. But ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा society का attitude change हुआ.
See, Dostana first of all is a Hindi commercial film.
Yeah.
कोई art film नहीं है. It's not educational.
How would you call this movie?
This is a full-on commercial film.
Yeah.
And homosexuality, be very clear with you, Dostana ke pehle, there's a certain way you'd always show gays,
Yeah.
gay men or whatever. But post Dostana, I think we're looking at them in a more credible light. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि पूरा society में सब कुछ change हो गया है. There are still people who are homophobic. There are still people who have problems. But things have changed. You need a start. And I think after Vicky Donor, you'll understand कि अगर आपको खून की ज़रूरत होती है, आप कहाँ जाते हो? To a blood bank, right? So when you don't have children, you have to go to a sperm bank.
But there's a difference also. In Dostana, Abhishek and John, the characters were not homosexuals,
Yeah.
you know. But in this one, I am a sperm donor. And in fact, this film may get a national award as well. Seriously, it's tackling the subject in a very light-hearted way, but again, it'll enlighten you and entertain you at the same time.
But do you think that the society would change at
They'll be aware.
looking at
Yeah.
how...
Like you said,
Yeah.
they'll be much
Like, can
more
you come
aware.
out in the open and say that I'm a sperm donator after this
You
movie?
don't have to say that. Why do you say
By
that?
the law, you can't. I mean,
मतलब बोल सकते हो, ये नहीं बोल सकते कि इसको donate किए वो. That's very confidential.
that's confidential.
Yeah, you can tell to your family or friends, you know, I'm a sperm donor.
There's nothing to be ashamed about it,
not at all.
You
embarrassed
should
about.
never be ashamed about it. क्योंकि starting में जब भी, especially the men on the set, when they hear sperm donation, they're like, please बात नहीं करेंगे, because it is very scary for men to think about हमारे साथ कुछ problem है, क्या हो रहा है, why are they talking about?
Yeah.
But I think after this film, it'll all change.
Okay. And talking about the budget,
I think, see, it was very important to make the first film in a proper budget to make sure it's a plus from day one. Because Ayushman's a newcomer and so is Yami. So we made it in a very set budget and I can confidently tell you that as we are speaking, the film is already a plus. लेकिन वो बात नहीं है, we need credibility also. Credibility happens when people see the film. And that is 100% sure, I guarantee you. अगर फ्राइडे को ये फिल्म रिलीज होती है अप्रैल 20th को, सैटरडे बिजनेस विल बी डबल, संडे बिजनेस विल बी इवन मोर, एंड मंडे द फिल्म विल डू मोर बिजनेस देन ऑन अ फ्राइडे. दैट इज माय गारंटी ऑन दिस फिल्म.
Ayushman, there's a lot of money
Sounds good.
investing on you. Yeah. How does
No,
that? Is it pressure for you? Because John इतना clearly बोल रहे हैं that
The pressure's on me क्योंकि he's done his work and he's moved on. Now the pressure's on me to deliver as a producer. और जब भी हमने शुरू करा था ना about budgets everything, we said नहीं यार cost cover up हो जाए बस उतना ही चलेगा. But after seeing the trailer, जो मतलब जो interest distributors ले रहे हैं, I think is very, very positive for us. So we are very positive we'll be on a plus.
And my last question.
Yeah.
Of course, you're excited about this, but what's next? Are you already thinking कि इसके बाद क्या sperm donation तो कर लिया? What's next?
Next का तो confirm हो भी गया.
हो गया है next confirm.
So wow, can you share the news for that?
Of course. It's again with Shujit Sarkar and
Yeah,
John
they're
is
doing
again the
it.
producer. It's called Hamara Bajaj. That's the name of the film. It's the story of a struggling actor from a small town.
Wow.
It's
becomes
a
a superstar.
brilliant script. You've read the entire thing, na?
Yeah, I know the gist
It's
and the concept.
superb.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he's a winner all the way.
So what is next for John Abraham Entertainment Private Limited? That's what it's called, right?
Yeah, I think Jaffna is a film I'm doing
Yeah.
before Ayushman. There's a film called I, Me Aur Main, which I have co-produced with Reliance. That releases on the 27th of July. और उसके बाद Jaffna and then Hamara Bajaj and then next year I think Dostana 2 starts, which is not part of the production, but it's a different ball game, yeah.
All right. Well, on that note, I wish you all the best, both of you.
Thank
I hope
you.
you rock it.
I'm sure we'll rock it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.